akhirnya kita punya mau datang kulkas. Jadi di belakang itu banyak barang-barang, saya harus kasih bersih itu dalam kulkas biar pas mereka datang sudah siap semua untuk diganti. Dan itu dia barang-barang dari dalam freezer itu, makanan-makanan, daging-daging, dan itu juga, dan semua di dalam meja, di atas meja ini. Dan saya mau kasih bersih apa yang ada di dalam sini. Kalau dalam freezer sudah bersih semua, jadi saya harus kasih bersih yang ada di dalam situ, oke? Mama medang kasih bersih ini sama ini. Yes, Polo. Yeah, looks so funny. You got a friend in me. You. Whoa. Everything. Nothing.
Oh, I just forgot. We're gonna take away we're gonna get our new fridge again.
Yes. Pergi coba ganti baju untuk ada. Ganti biasa aja. Ganti rumah. Those guys are late.
Yep.
I blame you.
Why?
Because I already got everything on the kitchen counter. Now our stuff
Text
is
message. Best Buy. Kyle is on his way and expected to arrive at approximately 1:35 p.m.
Yeah.
He's only 20 minutes late. Not even. He's 15 right now.
Di luar sudah salju guys. Salju lagi turun. Melihat kalau salju ini bakal stay on the ground or not. Dan saya menunggu orang untuk mereka akan datang ganti itu kulkas. Karena seperti yang saya bilang kemarin, kulkas itu hanya untuk sementara. Dan kulkas kita yang sebenarnya akan datang. Jadi saya sudah kasih bersih, itu sudah kosong. Kasihan sih sebenarnya karena kan ini lagi turun salju, jadi mungkin mereka terlambat sedikit. So yeah.
Hey, honey. Can you move Mom and Dad's van so that when they drop off the fridge, it's closer?
They are coming.
15 minutes.
Yeah.
15 minutes. Keys, honey.
You're gonna call fair coordinates?
Yeah. No, with my flip-flops.
Some fans at the
You're nuts.
I don't have none.
What's so funny? What'd you do? Where's the window? What is she doing? All right, come on. Honey, it's cold. You're a dork. You know that?
Cool.
Because this just keeps their arm as the brace and the legs the force.
Yep. Kita sudah di
Mama,
luar
can
sana.
I into my diaper?
Mari dah mami ganti. Ah, there it goes. Sekarang empty. There comes the new one.
Does it have the same thing as our second one?
Yeah.
But it's right inside the ice cube.
Yeah.
I mean, something
Good. I cleaned up all of that out. Now it's your turn to put them back. Jadi guys, dia punya bed. Tunggu pala. Dia punya beda cuma warnanya. Jadi warnanya sudah sama dengan itu. Dan yang baru ada dia punya tiga dia punya pintu. Ada dia punya itu juga.
Mama, I want pink yogurt.
Oke, Polo.
It's the color.
Let me see the inside. Oh, it looks the same.
Pretty much.
Oh, those goes in the
This is
in
different.
the door.
Yeah.
Oh, that's different.
Maybe not.
Oh yeah, because this was up here, right?
No, not completely.
Oh, okay.
I hate that sound.
Lihat guys, siapa yang main di luar. Jadi mereka sudah pasang itu, semua barang-barang sudah masuk. Ada yang berapa masih di luar, jadi sedikit lagi. Lihat Joji ada bermain di salju. Polo. Enak?
Yeah.
Enak? Ih, makan yang di atas itu ya. Kotor itu mana sudah diinjang.
You afraid the videotape her from outside? What are you doing, honey? What is mommy doing? Does she not even have shoes on?
Iya, maminya pakai sepatu. This is how you eat snow.
Getting a little cold for you?
No, you asked for it. The papa is going to get you the boys. Again. The boys. Papa's going to get you the boys. Don't put your foot in my mouth.
Again.
One is running away, Daddy.
I need a little break.
Again.
I've been attacking both of you all morning.